Right now as you watch this, you're on the edge of something extraordinary. Picture this. Tonight while the world sleeps, you'll be taking the first steps towards a total mental reprogram. You'll be waking up tomorrow as a totally different person. A person that's focused and unstoppable. A person that no longer hesitates or doubts their own potential. This isn't some fantasy, guys, or some motivational fluff. This is real. It only takes one night to change everything. Tonight, you're going to reprogram your mind at a level that most people won't even comprehend. The kind of transformation that will leave you feeling stronger, sharper, and with a drive that is impossible to ignore. There's just one thing you need to hear. One word, one key that will unlock the power that's been buried inside you all along. Once you hear it, your life won't just change, guys, it will evolve. It won't just be a shift, it'll be a total rebirth. Your mindset, your energy, your outlook on life, everything will be forever transformed. This is the moment, guys. This is the night that everything changes. The night that sets the stage for your new unstoppable self. Don't let it pass you by, guys. Are you ready to step into the next version of yourself? Carry the signals between the neurons. When you consistently direct your thoughts in new patterns, your brain starts to build new circuits to support these patterns. Within the first 3 days, you'll notice subtle but significant differences in how you perceive your daily experiences. When you once saw obstacles, you'll see opportunities. This isn't just positive thinking. This is your brain's meticulous activated system being reprogrammed to filter reality. Your brain is actually changing to the information that it brings to your attention. By day 4 and 5, you'll be able to experience what we call synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that will align with your new thought patterns. This happens because your brain new neural networks are now actively seeking evidence to support your new belief systems. It's like tuning a radio to a new frequency, okay? And suddenly you're picking up signals that were always there, but weren't previously in your range of perception. Let me share a case with you that illustrates this. Sarah, a participant at Joe Dispenza's 7-day program, has spent years thinking she's not creative. After 5 days of consistent practice, she found herself spontaneously coming up with solutions for her problems at work. That stumped her for years. Her brain had literally built new pathways for creative thinking. These pathways were beginning to be her new default operating system. The physical changes in your brain during this process are amazing. Through neuroplasticity, your brain is constantly making different synaptic connections based on your thoughts, your emotions. When you maintain elevated emotions while looking at your new declarations, you're actually accelerating this process. Your brain is releasing neurochemicals that facilitate faster learning and stronger neural connections. By day 6 and 7, many participants say to us, I feel abnormal. Activities, thoughts that once required your conscious effort automatically happen. It's like your brain has installed a new optimized system.